CPM, also known as cost per min, is how much advertisers are willing to pay to reach your audience. That is how much advertisers are willing to pay to YouTube to showcase their product in your videos, okay? To advertise their products in your videos, yes. While RPM, on the other hand, is revenue per mil. And this is how much YouTube is going to pay you from what advertisers paid to them. Okay, let me explain. So you have a video, right? And then a product is being advertised in your video. Okay, those people that have that product, they paid YouTube for bringing it to this platform. And then YouTube will now remove their own percentage and give you the other percent as the creator that created that video and made that video available for the advertisement to take place. Do you understand me? So this is how you make money on YouTube. That is how when you reach the monetization threshold, you can actually monetize your YouTube channel and your content, okay? So we have niche, which is the most important part, okay? And some people don't know what niche is. Your niche is your kind of content, as in what you want to do in your channel, okay? As a creator on this platform, what you want to showcase to your audience. Niches are divided into two. Is either entertainment or educative. Entertainment can entertain comedy, skit making, dancing, music, okay? A lot of other things to entertain people. While the educative can also be teaching people a lot of things, like the how to drive a car, how to tie your hair, how to cut your hair, how to do makeup, how to even teach like this that I'm doing. So picking a niche revolves around these two major things, okay? You can create 2 videos, okay? And even if these 2 videos get the same amount of views, the same engagement, the same watch hours, the same subscribers, everything basically the same, right? About these 2 videos, it will surprise you that one of them can actually make you more money than the other one. Yes. Okay. And so for somebody who doesn't understand YouTube, they'll say YouTube is difficult or YouTube is biased or YouTube doesn't pay. And that is why I'm going to be explaining in this video. So that might bring us to the kind of niches that you should get into as a creator here on YouTube or any other platform. The first on my list is going to be health and fitness. I started with this because health is what? Health is very essential, okay? Health is a very good part in life because it's only when you are healthy you can actually do any of these things. So imagine you having a channel that are teaching people how to eat healthy, how to stay fit, how to get in shape, like they have a bump in their hand, they have a rash on their face that's reason to live, they have pimples on their face, they have acne, sunburns or whatever they have, or they have like a sickness in their stomach, anywhere, and you have a video that is giving them cure for it, they're going to be very happy coming to your channel. Maybe somebody is trying to burn some calories, like they're gaining weight so fast and they want to burn it, and then your videos are coming them how to eat healthy to burn those calories, or how to get in shape and burn those calories, and stay fit, how to get their bodies back, like after delivery, maybe they have saggy stomachs and all of that, and you are telling them what to do, and they are using it and it's working for them. They will want to come back to your channel, okay? You will have high audience because everybody wants to stay healthy. Everybody needs to stay healthy to be able to live the life, if you agree with that. So advertisers are willing to pay in this kind of niches because they know that everybody is looking for how to get better or how to get well. And then the next on our list is the finance or the make money online niche. This niche is very essential because, everybody likes money. Money is essential, okay? You need money for the world to go around. You need money to buy stuff. You need money to treat yourself. You need money to do a lot of things, take care of your bills, your children, your wife, your husband. You will need money to buy data to come online and see this video, okay? Everybody wants to know how to actually increase their money, like the source of income that they have, okay? Somebody wants to learn how to actually turn his $10 to $100 or even $1,000, okay? And then you have a video that's talking about that. These kind of niches have high CPM. And under this niche, we have cryptocurrency, investment, real estate, we have credit card, okay? We have digital marketing. Imagine teaching people how to make money from home. You're in the house and you're making money. Everybody wants to know how to make money from the comfort of their home because nobody wants to overwork themselves, go out there and be stressing when they can actually make money from home. They would rather stay at home, right? And make money. So this niche is very essential. And this audience, they are tier 1 audience that can actually blow up your channel because most of them are able to invest and they are willing to invest any method you are teaching them in your videos. So this will actually attract advertisers a whole lot because this audience, at least from 20 years and above, obviously. So these are adults that are willing to put in so much to what you are saying in your videos, okay? So this is a very high paying niche. Another niche that is paying is the educational niche, okay? You're teaching people how to do this. It can be educational in different ways. It could be how to do makeup tutorials, how to use a specific brush, how to style your hair, how to sew a dress, a fine dress, a wedding dress, how to do this, how to do that, how to play keyboard, how to just basically how to do everything. Okay, people want to learn. People want to acquire skills, and getting it online for free, just at the comfort of their home, is actually a good thing. Okay, how to apply this, how to apply that, how to make pancakes, how to grill chicken, how to boil this, in fact, how to do a lot of things. Okay, so the educational niche is a very high paying niche as well. So if you know you can actually teach people how to do a lot of things, then please get on this kind of niches. Okay, because you will definitely be changed while you're changing other people's life. Okay, and then another niche that pays very well is product reviews. Okay, underneath this we have text, we have different text gadgets like phones, like laptops, like smartwatches, iPhone watches, musical speakers, AirPods, basically everything that concerns gadgets, text, and beautiful things that you can actually review. Okay, people want to see these things. You can review cars, you can review the models, the brands, the ability of the cars, what they can do, the year they were produced, basically everything that has to do with text, luxury. Okay, you can even review properties like estate, housing, and everything luxury generally. Just review things that people want or love to see, and people are there, they are stuck watching those videos, because the others you'll be getting, most of them will be able to get it, and some will not be able to get it. So I mean, everybody loves to see something beautiful, even if they cannot afford it. They want to see how it looks like, what it looks like, how it works. Do you understand? And they are already having enough audience retention, because people love luxury. They want to see fine things. Okay, they want to see the latest things. They want to see trends, latest gadget, latest phones, latest cars, everything beautiful. Generally, people want to see it. So this kind of niche have tier 1 audience. Okay, that can actually help you blow up their channel. Countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, these are tier 1 countries that actually helps retain your CPM as well. So imagine people from these countries watching these videos. This will also blow up your channel in no time and actually change your life. And then another niche that is very lucrative is the beauty niche. People want to learn everything that concerns beauty. Okay, how to use makeup, how to apply this on your face, how to do this, how to cut your hair, how to dress and match 2 different outfits, how to remove scars from their skin, how to clear the bumps, how to do a lot of things that has to do with beauty. Okay, how to apply anything to your body. Like, people want to learn. Okay, imagine somebody has been battling with a particular rash for so many months, and then the person come online and your video pops up and tell them how to remove a stubborn rash from your face, and then the person clicks the video and watch the video, and then the person is transformed, and then they keep watching your videos, they keep watching, and then they keep recommending other people. Oh, I had a rash, but I watched girl's video and I was able to clear it. Somebody else to come and watch. So you have successfully gained loyal subscribers who love you and actually got value from your channel. So these are how I pay niches. So beauty is a very important thing, just like the way health is. Okay, people want to look good, so they will definitely want to come and check those videos out. And advertisers know people want to look good, just like they want to stay healthy. So they will always pay high for these kind of niches. Okay, as a creator, if you want to start a niche, make sure they revolve around all of these niches I've mentioned. Okay, start investing, real estate, cryptocurrency. People want to know which crypto is trending, or if they want to invest into at the moment, they want to know which airdrops to farm at a particular time. There are a lot of airdrops that you can actually farm. Even if you use as low as $10, you can make up to $1,000. People want to know that kind of airdrops. There are some that you reduce of pay, and you'll be seeing up to $1,000. Depends on your commitment. Just like the really not high, think a lot of people's life. That is how when you check cryptocurrency channels, they are having a lot of engagement because people want to double their money. Okay, so if you can give them these solutions from the comfort of their home, they will keep coming for more. And advertisers know people want to make money. So even advertisers want to make money, that is why they are showing their videos in your videos, like their products in your videos. Okay, so you want to make money, advertisers want to make money, people at home want to make money, everybody's gaining this concept. So that is why all of these niches. Another niche is lifestyle and travels. People like this because the luxury involved is actually very convincing. If you see creators like Mr. Beast, Tayo, I know people like their content because they want to see where it's going, what it's doing, the lifestyle, the luxury in their videos. So travels and luxury actually gets more content, actually gets engagement. A lot of people want to see the deepest sea, the highest mountain, the longest streets, the longest lake, They want to see all of this, and these are high paying niches, okay? And lastly, the advice I will give you as a creator, when you are picking a niche, pick a niche that is advertiser friendly, okay? Pick a niche in all of this that follows the guideline of YouTube. That is where you now go ahead and study YouTube guidelines so that they will be advertisers friendly. Don't violate their policies, okay? Don't violate YouTube policies. These are the policies, some of the policies that you can actually go through, okay, that YouTube has warned every creator against. And if you can do all of this, your advert placement will be high. So these are niches that have highest retention amongst others, okay? I might not have mentioned some here, but their others are still very high. Okay, so you can pick a particular one, whether you're starting out or you're already in the game. Pick a one that you can actually do that you're good at, okay? That being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.